Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to take screenshots on your OPPO Find X9 Ultra. So we're going to be using every single method. The first one, of course, the power volume and the power down volume. We just click it and we got our screenshot right here. We can simply edit it. We can do an advanced edit. We can just, let's see, crop it. We can straighten it just like that for an example, and it is basically how it's done. So we're gonna replace the original. Now we got our screenshot, and now the next one is to scroll 3 fingers down the screen. As you guys can see, we got another screenshot. This one I'm gonna delete, and of course you can create a partial screenshot by tapping and holding the 3 fingers. So here we can just do that. Now we can save it. And what else can we do is we can do a rolling screenshot. So let's open up Chrome, and here in the Chrome, what are we gonna do is here we got a normal screenshot just like this, and we can click on scroll right here. Now we can adjust the length just by scrolling, or we can click on auto scroll, and now it is scrolling all the way down of the site. So as you guys can see, it is scrolling and scrolling. Of course we can click done at any second, but I want to make sure that we go all the way down. Now we can click done, and as you guys can see, we got our rolling screenshot. We can crop it here. So if you had no chance of cropping it earlier, then we're gonna go over and we're simply going to cancel. Now we got our rolling screenshot right here, and it's just how it looks like. So we got the first page. Now we can scroll down on the screenshot, and it is definitely a screenshot. You guys can see that. We can go and scroll down. We got everything. And that's every single method of doing a screenshot. So of course you can take a screenshot like this, then you can edit it. We can pixelate some stuff for, let's say, privacy issues, for an example. Like we don't want to show some apps, or we can do that to our face. We can also translate the stuff on our screen. We can choose a language. And what else can we do here is we can go over and of course crop it and shape it. We can also right here, so for example, hello. And of course, what else can we do here is we can go for an advanced edit. So advanced edits are pretty good. You have an AI editor here. You can recompose it. You can erase something from the picture. Now, as you guys can see, we want to, let's say, do the smart lasso, and now it is removing the app right here, and this is how it looks like. Now the app is gone, and we can do the same for an example for Chrome, and soon it should disappear just like this. So we can click done. Now we don't want to label it by an AI content, or if we do, then we can do that. We have an portrait glow. We have a perfect shot, enhanced clarity. We can unblur stuff and remove reflections. So there's a lot of options. Now of course we're going to discard the changes, and here we also have, let's say, a watermark. We can do a retouch, and we have some stickers, so we can add some stickers like this to our picture. We can resize them, and we can click done, save, and of course we're going to replace an original, and this is our screenshot. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.